What's going on, guys? Hope you are all having a great day out there today. Today we are at my local state park, enjoying the beautiful weather out here. We got some people out there in boats and kayaks, and today we brought with us the Everest 10. We're going to slow things down a little bit out here with the crawler, have a little fun with this thing, and enjoy the beautiful weather. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, guys, well, got the Everest with us. We're going to have a look at this thing today, if we can get it unstuck off this rock. But we're going to head down towards the beach here a little bit and explore down here a little bit. I've come out here a few times, but I've never gone all the way down here, and so we're going to check it out. All right, guys, well, we made it down to the water. It is just an absolutely beautiful day out here today. I mean, you could not ask for better weather. But have a little fun with the Everest now. See if we can make it down this drop off. It's pretty steep. No problem. So anybody that's not familiar with the Everest, done quite a few modifications to this thing. Put a widening kit on it. I put the four-wheel steering kit on it. I put a set of these Door Tracks Deepwood CR, they are on there. Tires really soft, hook up really well. Also put on the heavy-duty steel drive shafts on this thing, because after a while I finally did break them. But also changed out the motor, put a little bit beefier motor in this thing. And what else do we do to it? I think that's it. Changed around the shocks a little bit so it didn't get so much of that torque twist going on, because anybody that has these cars know these things can get some crazy torque twist. So I put extra spacers in the back shocks on this thing, and it really helped out a lot with the torque twist. But so far the car's been a lot of fun. Definitely a good time to always bring out. Just gonna make our way down the beach a little bit here. See what we can find down here around the corner maybe. Also, I am running this thing on 3S today. You can run on 2S or 3S, and definitely got a lot of power, a lot of torque when you run it like that. You can do wheelies and reverse wheelies pretty easy. Oh, hang up on the body. Can't quite make it. Found this cool tree down. I'm gonna try and climb up the top of this thing. Once it starts going one direction, boy, it's hard to correct it. Don't really want it falling off at this point. Well, we made it to the top, actually. Now I don't know what to do. I don't think I'm going to be able to back it down here. Maybe I can. Wow, can't believe I made it back down there. The old Everest might be a little top heavy, but she does the job. crawling up the rocks pretty good today. Found some nice boulders back here in the one section of the park. Having a little fun back here. Found a little path down here. We're gonna go down here and see what, maybe try and wash the crawler off in the lake here. I made it down to some more water. Beautiful area down here. Get the crawler a little clean off here. Get some of the mud and sand washed off of it. I don't recommend this is how you clean them off. But it's a fun way to clean them off. Well, guys, hope you all enjoyed the video today. Come along with me out here at the state park. Had fun with the crawler. It was a great time out here. Beautiful weather. Couldn't ask for a better day. So I hope you all enjoyed it. So until next time, y'all, be safe, be careful out there. Peace out, everybody.